Hi, I'm Andy, the Trend Follower. It's Saturday, the 20th of August, 2022. Welcome to this week's review of the different asset classes. I don't know which asset class is going to do best, so I follow 7 of them. Shares, property, gold, commodities, cryptocurrency, bonds, and foreign exchange. Let's have a look at shares, first of all. And do you remember that I went long this asset class after it closed above the 6-month moving average? That's the blue line. This week, it dropped down right onto the 6-month moving average. Will it fall further or will it bounce up from that moving average? I don't know. Here's the graph with candlesticks instead of the close line. And you can see where my stop loss order is placed, just below the low of the candle 3 weeks ago, down here. If it gets hit, then I'll make a modest loss. Hopefully that won't happen. We'll see. Let's look at property next. And do you remember me wondering last week whether the price of my property fund would rise above the 6-month moving average? Well, it didn't, so I'm staying in cash. Let's look at gold now. And gold price in pounds didn't change very much. This week it's above the green line, so I'm staying invested. Can look at commodities now, and my long commodities trade is still above the green line, so I'm staying invested. Cryptocurrency is next, and I'm using PayPal now as my crypto proxy. Have a look at last week's video for my chat about that. And you can see that I'm long PayPal. It's above its 6-month moving average. It did fall back a little bit this week, but I'm staying long PayPal just for the time being. Hopefully it will rise and rise. Let's look at bonds next, and I'm still waiting for the price of the bonds that I follow to rise above the blue line, above the 6-month moving average. When they do, I'll go long. Let's look at foreign exchange next, the euro dollar price in particular. That's what I follow. The euro fell strongly against the dollar this week. I do so wish that I had a short position running, but I haven't. I'll have to wait for a reversal and go long when it crosses the 6-month moving average. I wonder how long I'll have to wait. Let's have a look at the traffic lights for all of the asset classes this week, and an early buy signal, so crossing the 6-month MA makes the shares go onto an amber light. But is it about to drop down and turn the light red again? We shall see over the next week, I suspect. Property remains a red. Gold remains green. Commodities remain green. My new crypto proxy, PayPal, turned amber a couple of weeks ago. Bonds remain red, and the Euro USD also remains on a red. What do I have to do this week? Well, I just need to adjust my stop loss orders on my open positions. It's nice and easy. Do you want to see a weekly update? Sign up to my Substack. I'm not a financial advisor though. This video is just about what I do. It's not advice from me to you. I make no claim about how this strategy might perform for me or indeed anybody else that copies me in the future. If you copy me, you might end up living in a cardboard box. Regard this as entertainment, like gambling. Hope you have a great week. I'll do another video for you next weekend. Make sure you give some money to help the Ukrainian refugees. Bye for now.